Hi everyone, greetings here from the Grand Bazaar of Istanbul in Turkey.
Hola, amigo.
What is that?
This is Turkish pistachio with sesame taste.
Turkish pistachio. Free to taste? Free to taste? Okay, taste it, honey.
Philippines. Come inside.
Thank you.
Yes, we are now here again in this Ramazan Janbaz. This is the sweet shop. Let's go inside and he will offer me again.
Welcome again.
Thank you so much. Here we go again. The pomegranate tea that I first taste here. Yes. Okay.
You can look around also.
Yeah, let's take a look around again here. And these are the same sweets, herbs and spices that I saw before. The same place, the same thing. Nothing's changed. Yes, I will taste these pistachio sweets again. Is it new?
Yes.
New flavor.
Crush chocolate.
Crunchy chocolate. Nice. Everyone, if you're planning to visit here in the Grand Bazaar in Istanbul, just come here in this place because their sweets are really quality and nice. Yes. Wow. And this one is fig with walnut. Wow. You can easily taste the walnut and it's creamylicious inside. The tea?
Yes.
So what's
You will offer us another new type of tea.
This one is new tea, eucalyptus, menthol, ginger, and lemon. This is anti-corona tea. I give you a drink and the taste better, delicious.
Yes. Wow.
Before drinking, just smell and close your eyes and smell.
Wow, eucalyptus.
Yes.
Wow! It is cold inside my nose until here in my throat.
This one is also good
Yes.
for sinusite and for grip.
Yes.
Take this.
Now. Wow, it's really relaxing. Refreshing.
Yes. It's good also for throat.
Wow, the taste is not that sweet and not that strong, but you can. It's like you're eating a eucalyptus.
Yes.
Yeah. I recommend you to buy this kind of tea because it's anti-COVID. Yeah, because it is
Without
so
coffee.
healthy.
Yes.
Yes, it is so healthy because it has a lot of herbs which can heal your cold if you have
Yes.
cold and if you're itchy throat.
Yes.
Yes, it's nice to use this tea, to drink this tea.
NC telefonunu al, istediğini göndersin.
This Grand Bazaar is the oldest shopping center in the world. And this bazaar is so big, so you can easily get lost here. But it doesn't matter, just go with the flow.